Hey guys, so today we are going to be making Noah's Ark out of food. So I took pretzels, Fruit Loops, and marshmallows, and I used the pretzels as the ark, the Fruit Loops for the rainbow, and the marshmallows for the cloud at the bottom of the rainbow. So I started off by using a glue stick to try and glue the food to the paper, but the food didn't actually end up sticking to the glue at all, and so if you're going to do this craft, I would just skip the glue stick and maybe turn it into a snack time instead. There's my son's Noah's Ark. My daughter mostly just ate her Noah's Ark. So let me know what you think about this project down in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright, bye guys!